think about when we do traditional market research, how many times we interfere with the subject, with people, as we're studying them. We interfere by asking them to participate. We interfere in the result by asking a question and how we phrase that question. So our whole idea, we saw that with social media came a great opportunity to observe people in their natural environment. And aren't you going to get much better policy and a much more utopian society if you know exactly what the people in that society want? What is it that makes Polly intelligent? And notice I didn't say sentient, I said intelligent, right? So she is intelligent because she can grasp concepts, mathematical concepts, and see patterns in people that we can't see ourselves. People sometimes, they'll be angry about something, about an issue, and they might be angry about it in a moment of time. But Polly is able, in a very unbiased way, to see through that anger and say, how long will it take the population to get over this anger and this hurt? And will it carry long enough to Election Day? That goodwill is done now, so...
Done as in gone?
Well, he's up 2 seats from before blackface, but that's down from having been up 9 before. Huh. So it's starting to peter out. It's fading as an issue. We don't feel that this is going to be the big issue for Mr. Trudeau the day of the election. It wasn't an easy election to predict, but it was predictable, right? And I find it, it's interesting because everybody was saying it was so close. That's why being able to look at the seat count and do the ridings it's becoming almost a necessity if you want to do polling. We saw it at first with the Trump election in the States, and that's been consistent. It seems that elections are getting closer and closer. And so obviously when it's a minority government, it's a little bit harder to call. But this was consistent for Polly that she always saw it as a Liberal.